Hey busybodies, I'm Maricris and I am here to give you your 5-minute full body workout. Now I know we're all super busy, but I know you got 5 minutes, and if you got more of that, then you can go ahead and do a second round, a third round, make it completely yours. You don't need any equipment, you're here on the mat with me. I got my timer, so let's get started, okay? We're gonna start on the mat. We're gonna start with abs. We got jackknives. We got 1 minute on and 15 seconds off. All right, time has started. All right, let's take it down to the mat. Back flat. Arms coming up above. Okay, arms straight here and straight leg up. Every time you come up, important to take that breath. I feel like being a busybody, you're like under so much tension that you don't breathe. You're just trying to get through. Take this time and zone in on you. Plus we got a minute, so don't underestimate yourself, especially if you're getting back into your workout program. Focus on good lifts up. Find that spot on that ceiling and lift up. One minute here. Ooh, vibrated, there we go. We got 15 seconds on, it moves quick. Okay, we're coming to standing position. Let's take care of those legs. We got a squat. Look at, I'm already breaking stuff in this first round. All right, taking it down, knees in line, second and third toe. We are back on. Pushing through those back heels. Now, if it's your first time working out in a while, do not stress it. Grab a chair. You can sit and stand out of a chair. It is one of my favorite progressions to do with my clients. I tell you, it gives me so much life to see where people start and then where they end up. Whew. 5 minutes of good work here, and you can do multiple rounds. And then as you get tired, you gotta really tune in, making sure your knees aren't doing anything crazy. Take it down, squeeze the core at the top. Hang glutes. I'm so anxiously waiting that vibrate to let me know that that minute is done. And there it is. Cool, 15 seconds off. Okay, coming down. We're doing modified push-ups, okay? If you're doing them right, they're actually quality. I used to think push-ups in girl position weren't that hard, but they are, okay? So arms directly under shoulders here. Okay, tuck that pelvis in. Elbows out 45 degrees, up and down. Now check yourself, especially if you have a mirror. Making sure your butt's not up, not doing some weird curvature in the back, even if you think it's sexier. Tuck that pelvis straight down. It's a long time to do push-ups, but we got 5 minutes, so you gotta make it worth it. You gotta get that mentality that as it gets harder, you don't just try to get through it, you gotta get it done right. So check in, squeeze that core even tighter, focus on what you're doing on that down, push straight up. Woo. Y'all, we are halfway through. Okay, we're gonna stay down here. We're gonna do Supermans. Just sprawl out, arms out, legs straight out, face down. And we're gonna lift those quads, arms and chest, everything off the floor. So here, think about that exhale. Squeeze everything. I'm legitimately sweating. You feel it back here. Also squeezing these bad boys. That vibrate should be coming on my timer soon. Small movements add up over time. And there it is. 15 seconds off. All right, we got jumping jacks. I like to add a little bit of cardio at the end to get my heart rate up. A little flow between up and down, up and down. Classic jumping jacks right here. Making sure you keep that core tight. Don't be like in here as you get tired. Keep it tucked, keep it tucked. If you have any knee problems or you need something more low impact, take it out, no problem. Still controlled, core still intact. Whatever you need, make this workout your own. You're the busybody, you do what you need to. You're your own boss. We're almost done. Give it that whole 100. I'm not gonna ask you to do it again. It's up to you if you want to do it again. As we get tired, stay focused, core tight, arms coming all the way up. Nothing lacking here. Strong throughout. Quality, quality, quality. Whew. And that is time. We friggin' did it, all right, my busybodies. Remember, it is about your mindset, your food, and your move. You took care of that with me. We moved today. But it's your mindset to get yourself to do this every day, every other day, listening to your body, and also making sure you put the right food in your body to make this all worth it, okay? Remember, it's your day one. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is about progression. You freaking rocked it. I will see you with the next workout because there's more coming.